Hello students, in this lecture we'll discuss decimal number system and how we can convert this decimal number system into binary number system. So before discussing that, we'll discuss about what are analog signals and what are digital signals. Analog signals, as you can see, this is the example of analog signal. Actually, analog signals are those electrical signals which vary continuously with time. Here we have taken along x-axis we have taken time and along y-axis we have taken voltage. And as you can see, this electrical signal, the value of voltage of this electrical signal, it is varying continuously with time. And such kind of signals, these are known as analog signals. जो time के साथ continuously vary करें, उन signals को हम बोलते हैं analog signals. Now what are digital signals? Digital signals are the signals which don't vary continuously with time. Digital signals वो signals होते हैं जो time के साथ continuously vary नहीं करते. और जो digital signals होते हैं, they have only discrete values, two discrete values, either low or high, either 0 or 1. As you can see, this is the example of digital signal. Here the signal, along y-axis we have taken voltage and along x-axis we have taken time. And as you can see, the voltage of the signal, it is not varying continuously with time and it is having only two discrete values, either 1 or 0, or you can say that either high or low. This low, a voltage corresponding to this logic 0, it will be low voltage, or you can say that 0 volt, and voltage corresponding to this logic 1 or high value, it will be a high voltage. It will be either plus 5 volt, plus 10 volt, plus 15 volt. It can have any high value. And this waveform, it is known as pulse waveform. So the digital signals are the signals which don't vary continuously with time, and the analog signals are the signals which varies continuously with time. Now we'll discuss about decimal numbers. As we know that we have total 10 numbers, 10 decimal numbers from 0 to 9. So in decimal number system, the total number of numbers present in any number system, that will be taken as base or radix of that number system. So in decimal number system, जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स और जो टोटल नंबर है नंबर्स का जो हम यूज़ करते हैं डेसिमल नंबर्स में, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 अगर आप काउंट करोगे तो ये 10 बनेंगे. सो जो बेस और रेडिक्स आप डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में लोगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 10. Now for example, आप कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर कंसीडर कर लो. सपोज यू हैव एनी 4 digit decimal number, suppose 5734. Now this 5734, it is actually, this 4, it is at units place, so it is having the weightage of 10 raised to power 0. And this 3, it is placed at tens place, so it will be 3 into 10 raised to power 1, plus this 7, it is at hundreds place, so it will be 7 into 10 raised to power plus 2, and then 5, it is at thousand place, so it will be 10 raised to power 3. So जो weightage है according to the place of the number in any decimal number, it will be 4. इसकी यूनिट प्लेस है तो 10 की पावर 0 आएगा, बिकॉज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 0 इज 1, दैट इज यूनिट. जो 3 है, इट इज एट टेंस प्लेस, सो टेंस प्लेस मीन्स 3 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1. हंड्रेड्स प्लेस मीन्स 7 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 2 जो है इसकी वेटेज है. 7 की वेटेज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 2 है, 5 की वेटेज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 3 है, 3 की वेटेज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1 है, और 4 की वेटेज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 0, दैट इज यूनिट है. तो इससे अगर आप देखोगे तो 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर 3 मीन्स दिस इज 5000, प्लस दिस वन इज 700, plus this one is 30 plus this one is 4. So now here you will get this number 5734. Similarly, अगर आपको कोई नंबर गिवन हो in point form or in fraction like 895.46, ये भी एक डेसिमल नंबर है, तो इसमें वी नो दैट दिस 5 इट इज एट यूनिट्स प्लेस. सो इसकी वेटेज क्या होगी? 5 की वेटेज होगी 5 इंटू 10⁻0. 9 इज एट टेंस प्लेस, सो इसकी वेटेज होगी 9 इंटू 10⁻1. जो 8 है इट इज एट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, सो इसकी वेटेज होगी 10⁻2. नाउ जो पॉइंट के राइट साइड पे डिजिट्स लाई कर रहे हैं उनकी वेटेज क्या होगी? सो दिस 4 it will have weightage of 10⁻⁻1 plus this 6 it will have a weightage of 10⁻2. And if we have any digit here, suppose we have 9 here, then this 9 it will have the weightage of 10⁻3. और अगर आपको कोई भी नंबर गिवन हो, सपोज 576 गिवन है और इसके साथ सफिक्स यूज किया है उन्होंने 10, तो सफिक्स का मीनिंग है कि ये जो नंबर है 576 इट बिलोंग्स टू डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट कम्स बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स, बाई मीन्स टू. सो इन केस ऑफ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम द टोटल नंबर्स which we use, they are 2. There are 2 numbers which we use in binary number system as the name indicates by, which means 2. So, and those 2 numbers which we use are, in case of binary number system, that is 0 and 1. And this 0 and 1, these are known as bits in case of binary number system. And as the total numbers in binary number system is equal to 2, so the base or radix which we will use in binary number system, it will be equal to 2. Now जो binary numbers होते हैं, इन 0 और 1 से हम बहुत सारे बाइनरी नंबर्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जो 1 बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स होंगे, देयर विल बी ओनली 2 1 बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स, 0 and 1. और अगर आप 2 बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स को कंसीडर करोगे तो 2 बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स में व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ दिस 0 and 1? 2 बिट बाइनरी नंबर्स में एक बाइनरी नंबर हो सकता है 0 0 और ये 0 1 भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी 1 0 और इट कैन बी 1 1. सो व्हाट आर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस? बेस ऑफ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, that is 2, raised to power number of bits, that is 2. So 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. So we have total 4 combinations in case of 2 bit binary numbers. और 2 bit binary numbers में, जैसे डेसिमल नंबर्स में जो यूनिट्स प्लेस पे डिजिट होता था उसकी वेटेज थी 10⁻0, टेंस प्लेस वाले की वेटेज थी 10⁻1 बिकॉज दैट वॉज डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. एंड इन केस ऑफ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, जो लेफ्ट राइट मोस्ट बिट है उसकी जो वेटेज होती है दैट इज 2⁻0 एंड इसकी होगी 2⁻1. और इसके बाद अगर कोई नेक्स्ट हायर बिट होगी उसकी होगी 2⁻2, नेक्स्ट हायर बिट की होगी 2⁻3 एंड सो ऑन. सो अगर आपने ये देखना हो कि ये जो बाइनरी नंबर है ये किस डेसिमल नंबर के कॉरिस्पॉन्डिंग है, ये किस डेसिमल नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ये 2 बिट बाइनरी नंबर. सिमिलरली ये 2 बिट बाइनरी नंबर किस डेसिमल नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? दिस एंड दिस. हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट दैट? कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 0 into 2 raised to power 1, 0 multiplied by its weightage plus this bit is 0 multiplied by its weightage, that is 2 raised to power 0. So now what we have gotten, it is 0 plus 0, that is 0. So जो 0 2 bit binary number है, it is representing a decimal number 0. Now in case of 0 1, 0 into इसकी वेटेज है 2 raised to power 1 plus इस 1 की वेटेज है 2 raised to power 0. It will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This means this 2 bit binary number 0 1, it is representing decimal number 1. Now this 1 0, it is 1 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0. It will be 2 plus 0, it is equal to 2. So 1 0 is the binary representation of the decimal number 2 in case of 2 bit binary numbers. Then 1 1. 1 into इसकी वेटेज है 2 raised to power 1 plus this 1 की वेटेज है 2 raised to power 0. So it will be 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. What does this mean? It means that this 1 1, it is the binary representation of the decimal number 3 in case of 2 bit binary numbers. And in case of binary numbers, we use suffix 2. As in case of decimal numbers, we have used suffix 10, and here we will use suffix 2. Suffix 2 indicates that the given number is in binary form. Similarly, we can write 3 bit binary numbers where we will use 3 bits at a time. Then how many decimal numbers we can make by using 3 bit binary number combinations? So 3 bit binary numbers में we have to use 3 bits, that is 0 and 1, 3 times in a single binary number. So what will be the possible combinations? It will be, what is the base of binary number system? That is 2 raised to power number of bits used, 3. So there will be 8 possible combinations. And those 8 possible combinations are 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Now, why I have written down this 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 in this order? It is because all these decimal numbers, 3 bit, all these 3 bit binary numbers, these are representing any one decimal number. As I have already told you that the weightage of this bit, it is 2 raised to power 0. The weightage of this next higher bit, it is 2 raised to power 1. Next higher bit की weightage होगी 2 raised to power 2. So जिस डेसिमल नंबर को ये रिप्रेजेंट करेगा, इट विल बी 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0. It will be 0. Similarly, this 0 0 1, it is the binary code of 3 bit binary code of a decimal number 1. Because 0 into this will be 0, plus 0 into this will be 0, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0 will be 1. This is 0 into 2 raised to power 2, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1, plus 0 into 2 raised to power 0. It will be 0 plus 2 plus 0. It will be 2. So 0 1 0 is the binary representation of a decimal number 2. 0 1 1 is the binary representation of decimal number 3. This one is 4. This represents 4 plus 1, that is 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. And here, in case of 2-bit binary numbers or 3-bit binary numbers, this rightmost bit, it is having least significance. As it is having least significance, that is why it is known as least significant bit or LSB. And the leftmost bit in any binary number, the leftmost bit, it is having highest weightage. As you can see, the weightage of this rightmost bit, it is smallest, that is 2 raised to power 0. And the weightage of this leftmost bit, it is highest, that is 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. So it is having most significance. As it is having most significance, that is why it is known as most significant bit or MSB. So next we will discuss 4-bit binary numbers. Now what are the total number of possible combinations in case of 4-bit binary numbers? Formula is base of binary number system is 2 raised to power the number of bits we are using at that time, that is 4. So 2 raised to power 4, it means there will be 16 possible combinations. And those are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now all these 16 possible combinations, they are representing a decimal number. As I have already told you that the weightage of this rightmost bit, it is smallest, that is 2 raised to power 0. It is having weightage of 2 raised to power 1. It is having weightage of 2 raised to power 2. It will have weightage of 2 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 0 means weightage of 1. 2 raised to power 1 means weightage of 2. 2 raised to power 2 means weightage of 4. And 2 raised to power 3 means weightage of 8. So 8, 4, 2, 1. So now this 0, 0, 0, 0, it will represent our decimal number 0. How? Multiply all these binary bits with its weightage and then add all those. Then here 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. It will be 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, it will represent decimal number 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Then 4. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it will 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. And last combination is 15. So if we use n-bit binary numbers at a time, then what will be the total number of possible combinations? Base of binary number system is 2 raised to power the total number of bits that we'll use at a time, that is n. So total number of possible combinations will be 2 raised to power n. नाउ एज यू कैन सी इन केस ऑफ 4-bit बाइनरी नंबर्स जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं दैट इज 2⁴ 16 और ये 16 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस के साथ हमने डेसिमल नंबर्स कौन कौन से ऑब्टेन किए दैट इज फ्रॉम 0 to 15. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन 16 है बट जो हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर हमें इस 4-bit बाइनरी नंबर को यूज करके मिल सकता है दैट इज 15. एंड हाउ विल गेट 15? 16 minus 1. सो जितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं उसमें से अगर आप 1 को माइनस करोगे तो आपके पास क्या होगा, जो हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर आपको मिलेगा उन बाइनरी नंबर्स को यूज करके. सो इन केस ऑफ दिस 4-bit बाइनरी नंबर्स जो हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर आप 4 बिट्स यूज करके ऑब्टेन कर सकते हो दैट इज 2⁴ minus 1. That is 16 minus 1 that is equal to 15. So in case of 3 bits में जब आपने at a time 3 bits यूज किए तो आपके पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस थे 2⁵, that is 8 from 0 to 7. तो 3 बिट्स में आपने हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर कौन सा ऑब्टेन किया दैट वाज 7 मींस 8 minus 1. सिमिलरली अगर आप इसको जनरलाइज करोगे 2-bit बाइनरी नंबर्स में टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस वर 2⁵ दैट इज 4. अगर इसमें से -1 करोगे तो आपके पास क्या आएगा 4 minus 1 दैट वाज 3. सो हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर जो आपको 2-bit बाइनरी नंबर्स में मिला था दैट वाज 3. सो इसको जनरलाइज करके क्या आएगा कि अगर आप n-bit बाइनरी नंबर्स को यूज कर रहे हो तो आपके पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस होंगे 2⁴n और हाईएस्ट डेसिमल नंबर जो आपको उसमें से मिलेगा दैट विल बी 2⁴n - 1.